A single blade, sharpened for one job, ended up becoming one of the most useful tools in any garage, and today we're covering exactly why. The utility knife looks almost too simple to matter, just a handle and a blade. But once you see everything it can actually do, you'll understand why it earns a spot in nearly every professional's tool belt. Today we're covering the real history behind it, along with genuinely surprising ways it gets used on the job. Before we get into it, if you enjoy this kind of practical tool knowledge, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. It really helps this channel keep going. Let's start with a bit of history, because the utility knife is more modern than you might think. Simple folding knives with replaceable blades existed earlier, but the tool we recognize today really took shape in 1936. That year, Stanley Tools introduced one of the first widely sold utility knives, featuring a replaceable blade. Instead of one, you had to sharpen by hand. That single change meant workers could keep a sharp edge ready at all times, without wasting time on maintenance. It quickly became a staple on construction sites and in factories across the country. But the next major leap in utility knife design didn't come from America at all. In the 1950s, a Japanese inventor named Yoshio Okada came up with a completely different idea. He noticed how chocolate bars were scored into small segments that snapped off cleanly. That gave him the idea for a blade made of tiny segments that could snap off individually once they went dull. His company, Olfa, turned that idea into the now famous snap-off utility knife recognized around the world. It meant you never had to fully replace a blade again. Just snap off the dull section and keep working with a fresh edge. Now let's talk about what makes this tool so versatile, starting with the obvious use. Opening boxes is the job most people immediately think of, and it's genuinely one of the fastest, cleanest ways to do it. But that's honestly just the beginning of what it's built for. On a construction site, a utility knife is used constantly to score and snap drywall, instead of sawing all the way through it. That scoring technique lets you cut a clean straight line and then simply bend the drywall to break it along that score. It's also the standard tool for trimming carpet edges and cutting vinyl flooring during an installation. Painters use it to score caulk lines before pulling old caulk out cleanly along a wall or window frame. It's commonly used to scrape dried paint, old labels, or stickers off glass and hard surfaces without scratching them. Electricians sometimes use the tip carefully to score the outer jacket of a cable before stripping it. It's also useful for cutting rope, zip ties, packaging straps, or thick plastic sheeting on a job site. In a pinch, some people even use it to sharpen a wooden pencil when nothing else is around. That's a lot of jobs for one simple blade and handle. Now let's talk about choosing and using one properly, since technique matters here more than people realize. Utility knives generally come in two main styles: fixed blade and retractable blade. A retractable blade is safer for general use, since you can hide the blade away when it's not in use. A fixed blade version gives more rigidity for heavier cutting tasks, like scoring thick material repeatedly. Blade angle matters too. A hook-style blade is better for cutting flooring or roofing material, while a straight blade works better for general cutting and scoring. Here's the safety habit that matters most. Always cut away from your body. Never toward it. Only extend as much blade as the material actually requires. A shorter exposed blade gives you far more control. And keep the blade sharp. A dull blade forces you to push harder, which is exactly when slips happen. Snap-off blades make that easy. The moment a segment feels dull, snap it off and keep working with a fresh edge. If you're just getting your basic tool collection started, having a full setup that covers cutting, driving, and gripping in one place makes life a lot easier. I've been using a compact 286-piece home tool kit that actually covers most of what a beginner garage needs in one rolling case. It comes with a cordless drill, wrenches, sockets, screwdrivers, a claw hammer, a spirit level, a tape measure, and hex keys, all organized into a durable case with a telescoping handle, so it's easy to move around. It's a solid starting point if you're building out your first real toolbox and don't want to buy everything piece by piece. I've linked it in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. That's an affiliate link, so I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. But even with a full kit like that, the utility knife is still one of the tools you'll reach for constantly on top of everything else. It's cheap, it's replaceable, and it handles jobs that almost nothing else in your toolbox can do as cleanly. From scoring drywall to opening packages to trimming flooring, it's genuinely one of the hardest working tools you own. So next time you grab one just to open a box, remember it's capable of a whole lot more than that. A simple blade, refined since 1936, still doing more jobs than almost any other single tool in your garage. It's proof that sometimes the simplest design ends up being the most useful one. If this gave you a few new uses for a tool you already own, let us know in the comments which one surprised you most. And if you want more simple, practical tool breakdowns like this one, make sure you're subscribed.